Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we will understand how e-commerce businesses can boost productivity with automation. So if you are someone who is running an e-commerce business, well then this video is for you. Because in this video, I have covered some amazing automations that will help you to add the order details in your Google Sheets automatically, send an automated WhatsApp message to your customers, and how you can sync your e-commerce platforms with each other. So if you want to learn about these amazing automations, make sure to follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how e-commerce businesses can boost productivity with automation. So if you are someone who is running an e-commerce business, well then this video is for you, because in this video, I have covered some amazing automations that will help you to enhance your e-commerce business. So we are going to create these automations by using this amazing automation software that is Pabbly Connect, and this here is the landing page. So in order to reach here, you just have to type in pabbly.com/connect in your browser. So here you can see I've got two options. One is of sign in and the other one is of sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can simply click on sign in. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button, and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and over here I've created a folder by the name of automation for e-commerce business, and over here I've added these automations. So in order to create a new workflow, you just have to go to this create workflow button and you have to give a name to your workflow, select the folder and just click on create. So as this video is for how e-commerce businesses can boost productivity with automation, so in this video, I'm going to tell you these amazing automations which will definitely help you to improve your business. So I'm going to take you to the first automation, that is automatically record order details from your e-commerce store to Google Sheets. So here I am using Shopify as my trigger application and Google Sheets as my action application. So here my objective is that whenever a new order will be placed in Shopify, then I want to add the order details in a Google Sheet. So moving to my trigger window, as over here I have selected my trigger application as Shopify. You can select it as WooCommerce or BigCommerce as well. So over here the trigger event is of new order. I want that whenever a new order will be placed in Shopify, so I want to add the details of the Shopify order received in a Google Sheets. So over here in the response received, you can see that we have got the order details which has been placed in Shopify. So once the details are received, so by using those details, I wish to add in a Google Sheet. So over here I've created a Google Sheet by the name of Shopify orders, where I want to add the Shopify order details. So this automation will help you to keep a record of the orders that has been placed through Shopify. So now moving to the next automation, that is send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for e-commerce business. So here let's suppose that I'm someone who is running an e-commerce business, and to promote my business, I'm running some ads through Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. So as mentioned, going to my trigger window, as I'm running some ads through Facebook lead ads, so here my objective is that whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. So here I'm sending the WhatsApp message to that lead by using WhatsApp by AI Sensei. So here you can use any other application such as WhatsApp Cloud API or Interact as per your choice. So as this automation will help me in managing my leads and nurturing them further. So whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically an automated WhatsApp message will be sent. So I've framed a template accordingly that I want to send to this lead. So over here, just mentioning the details which I've received through Facebook lead ads, I will be able to send the message and I can keep the record of the lead which has been generated. So now moving to the third automation, that is send new Shopify orders as channel message in Discord. So here let's say that you have created a store in Shopify and you have created a channel for your team on Discord. So here my objective is that whenever a new order will be placed in my Shopify account, then automatically the details of the order placed should be sent in the Discord channel where I've added my team so that I can notify them. So here in the trigger window, you can mention any other e-commerce platform. You can mention BigCommerce, you can mention WooCommerce or any of your choice. So over here as my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new order through Shopify, so I'm going to get the details over here in Pabbly Connect. So once I get the details, then I want to send a channel message to my team on Discord. So over here in Discord, you can see that I have framed the message which I want to send. So I'm notifying my team about the new order that has been placed on my Shopify Shopify store. So this automation is a helpful automation so that you can notify your team about the new orders that has been placed so they can also be on the same track. So now moving to the fourth automation, that is sync Shopify product with WooCommerce. So here let's say that I have created a store in Shopify and in WooCommerce as well. So my objective is that whenever I'm going to create a new product in my Shopify store, then I want to create the same product in my WooCommerce store as well. So over here, I'm syncing Shopify with WooCommerce, which will enable me to create the same product in both of the stores. So over here in my trigger window, I've used Shopify because we are syncing Shopify and WooCommerce. So whenever a new product will be created in my Shopify store, then I'm going to find the product by ID. So once I'm going to find the product, then I'm going to create a product in my WooCommerce store. So basically, in short, this automation is for people who are having stores on multiple e-commerce platforms. So as I've mentioned that I have a store on Shopify and WooCommerce, so I just want to sync them. Now, whenever a new product will be created in Shopify, then automatically the same product should be created in my WooCommerce store as well. So this automation will help you to sync your e-commerce platforms together so that you can post the same product on every e-commerce platform of yours. So I hope this video was helpful for you and these automations will enhance your e-commerce business. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.